Hi guys, how are you all today evening? Good evening. Sorry to tell you that my last video, Diabolical, suddenly stopped because of some video problem in the cell. We shall continue with that particular video now. I have already mentioned that 25% of this my body mind society belongs to the ignorance mode of material nature. Of this 25%, 15% find themselves comfortable in that ignorance mode. Only 5% of those in the ignorance mode progress towards passion plus ignorance, pure passion, etc. The other 5 go down towards the demonic way of life. That means that of the 25% of ignorant people in the society, 5% want to improve and the other 5 want to degrade themselves, whether male or female. We already know that the Supreme Soul has declared that a particular living entity can join him after taking just 3 births in the demonic mode and get killed by him in every birth, so that this living entity attains salvation and goes back to Godhead. But here is the ringer. Lord, the Supreme Soul is the eternal flame, and the soul is a spark that has extracted itself out of that eternal flame. In other words, every soul is a child of the Supreme Soul. In that case, the Supreme Soul will never like to or agree to kill its own child. However divine, material, or demonic that particular soul may be, it will be forced to kill a particular demon only when it finds that this particular living entity has become too dangerous for the innocent people in the society. Yada yada hi dharmasya ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थात् संभवामि युगे युगे. Here the Supreme Soul has declared that he reincarnates or incarnates in this material world only to establish dharma, to protect the innocent, and hence, if necessary, annihilate the evil. Hence, every living entity who chooses these three demonic births has to wait endlessly for his or her turn to come when he or she can be annihilated by God. In this process, the three demonic births, like the seven divine births, are enveloping several divine and demonic births. When the seven divine births include several divine births, the three demonic births also include endless demonic births. Only when a particular person progresses towards the stage where he or she can be annihilated by God, not once but three times, then such a living entity who has chosen demonic births has to take several endless demonic births of various stages in every demonic birth. That is, for 1, 2, and 3 demonic births, a living entity has to take millions of demonic births so that he or she can be annihilated by the Supreme Soul in every demonic birth. Now, to become demonic is not as easy or simple as it seems. When you are proceeding towards the seven divine births, you are with God, and God has this tendency to pardon your errors, mistakes, and even blunders. But when you are trying to take demonic births, you are with the devil, and the devil does not pardon even a slip from the living entity. One mistake or error from a living entity decides on the amount of punishment that living entity will get in that particular birth. Hence, when a living entity chooses the demonic path, he or she has to begin from becoming a wayward kid, a spoilt brat, a gunda, a never do well in the society, a petty thief, a pickpocket, a robber, a blood burglar, a dacoit, a murderer, a gangster, and thus become a member of the organized crime where he has to climb several rungs before ending up as the boss of any gang. Even after this, once a person reaches that particular position, he or she is pitchforked into hellish planets where they remain for time immemorial and end up as incorrigible demons. When these incorrigible demons create trouble for the society, God intervenes and annihilates them. When God annihilates a living entity, not once but three times as a demon in the demonic births, only then that living entity can become a part of super soul. This path is very strenuous, tiring, painful, and full of miseries. Hence, we all should prefer the seven divine births to the three demonic births. Kindly tell me what you think of my talk on this subject. If you really like it, please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Kindly pardon me for all my slips and errors and mistakes in my appearances, my spelling, my grammar, my diction, etc. Because when I'm concentrating on spiritual and material subjects, I tend to forget these frivolous matters. Till we meet in my next video, it is good evening from TSV Raghavan.